Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another PR unboxing. All of the items that I have today are sent from Influenster in partnership with other brands. So let's get right into it. So the first item that we have, see, this box is not like decorated or anything, but it's a very small item. We got sent a Kosas concealer. Now, I have received something from Kosas before. If you've seen my previous videos, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. I believe that I got it in the same color again, that 9.1N, which is a deep with neutral undertones. Sorry, I just want you guys to be able to see that and see, make it focus. So this is what it looks like. Now this is a little bit closer to my complexion, so I would not necessarily use it for a highlighter, but like for me, I like to use a color that's closest to my, or closer to my skin tone, like around my eyebrows if I need to clean up or anything like that, or sometimes concealer at the top to bring back my true color, or my normal color, like in my forehead and everything. So I definitely love this brand. I will always purchase from them, especially their foundation, but I love their concealer, and I would highly recommend this. For concealer, I would give it at least a 9 out of 10, but just based off of my experience with the concealer. But I do highly recommend it, and you should definitely go get it. The last thing I'm going to do is just put it on my skin so you guys can see that it's pretty close. Is it spot on? Actually, yeah, it is. So it goes on a little bit lighter, but you can't even see the difference. So yeah, I would say that pigmentation in that color is perfect. So let's move on to the next item. The next item we have from OGX. I know OGX has been a little controversial in the natural hair community, but I still love to use this, at least on like on the wigs that I have, or any of the hair you get where there's raw hair or whatnot. Even if you don't want to use it on your natural hair, I still would suggest buying these products and using them on the weave that you get or the wigs. So I have the Damage Remedy plus Coconut Miracle Oil, and this is the shampoo, and it's extra strength. I think we're all a little bit familiar with OGX by now, but they are a sulfate-free brand. And then it says, of course, it has like coconut oil, and it is used to provide extra powerful moisture. And it is very moisturizing, this line. I have used it before in the past, actually. So this is another product from them. This is the Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil Conditioner. And again, it's supposed to be extremely hydrating to give you moisture. And on the front, it always tells you like a little story. That it has a blend of coconut oil, vanilla bean extract, and it helps to repair and soften and revive your hair strands. Now those two products are not open yet, but I have already started using. You see, you don't see the seal? This coconut oil is so good. It is so hydrating to the hair and moisturizing. I did use it on a wig that I have, and it is so shiny, bouncy. I still love it, but you don't want to put too much of this oil on, or it will weigh down the hair. It is, like they said, a penetrating oil. So I know with some oils you want to go ahead and put a lot. Not with this one. I'm gonna show y'all. See, it doesn't look so thick. but when you put it on the hair, look at the shine on my hand. Okay, it's like lip gloss. It is very, very shiny. You don't want to put too much on. Look how it has my hand looking, right? I'm gonna just rub this on my hair right now because it is very oily. And then I do have one last product to show you guys. However, after searching my whole house, I cannot find the product, but I do have a picture of it. So I'm gonna insert that picture and tell you my review of the product. Hi guys, so while I was filming, I got a knock at the door and I got another package from Influenster. I know it's a little dirty, but we're gonna open it up and see what we got. So as you can see, I already opened it because I was confused about what could be in here because it was a little dirty, the packaging, but let's open it up and see what we got. So this is from Influencer. This is another package for like PR, and this is from Cantu. It's 10 wig caps and an elastic band, which is perfect for me because I'm so tired of paying these girls and guys to do my hair, so I will definitely be using this. And it was created by Melissa Kobe. Okay, see on the front it says by M. Kobe. And if you can see, there's like two different browns because as we know, everybody is not the same shade when it comes to being dark brown. So like for me, as you can see, there's two different ones to choose from. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. I don't know why I always open the packages so bad. But I think this was super cute of Cantu to come up with. I can see this like being in like Target, right? Like not even the local hair store or anything like that, but like Target. I don't know why I always have a problem opening these packages. Okay, so now that I've ruined the packaging, let's see. This band is super cute. Of course, they have the reversible like signs usually. Super cute. I love this. Okay. And that's Velcro. And then, like I said, this is the brown, the lighter brown. It's still a dark brown, but it's lighter than this one. And I'm just gonna show you when you stretch out. For me, I probably would try this one out because it looks way more see-through, like you don't need to add makeup. And then there's this one. Either one of these will work, but I'm so glad. I actually have to do an install very soon, so maybe I'll do a video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely be on the lookout for Cantu's new wig caps and elastic band. This is going to be a game changer when you can't get to the hair store and you just need to go to like the Target or somewhere close to you. Thank you guys.